Hello. Another Nomads called Quickshot. How to do shelves or floor plans, walls on a plan. Always all the same. Okay, I switched to the Nomad app. This is the shelf. I switch the post processing off and I delete this. And we need a plane. Switch the wireframe on, and the resolution of the plane. Yeah, you have to test it. What's the best for you? I use this resolution and I validate it. I use the orthographic view on top, and all you have to do is reduce the size of the brush a little bit, and the parts of the shelf. On mask is on, symmetry is okay. I draw here a line. This part I unmask, and okay, unmask. So that's the outer part of the shelf. And in the mask settings you can choose the shelf thickness. You can test it, what's correct for you, and extract it. And when there's an error in the mask, go a step back and unmask the parts. Sometimes it's not clear where the error is. Is there another wrong part? No, it's okay. And now you can draw the other parts inside. Leave the mask on and oh, not unmask. Clear the mask and draw another part for the. And so you can draw also walls or some floor plans and extract them. And I divide it here. Okay, and I extract it with a little bit other number, 4.5 for example, and extract it and have a look. Is everything clear? There's a mistake. Check it again. It's better. You can use also more not pixels, vertices, or I think that's a name for it, to do this. And now you can simple merge it and hide the background. And this is a way to do such things. Okay, I can turn the wireframe off, give this thing paint, and you can use flat subdivision to make the things a little bit clearer. When you use the gizmo, you can adjust the things a little bit, and when you turn on the symmetry, I think the proportion symmetry is on. Symmetry is on. Well, center local, and I hope, no, it's not correct. Symmetry is on. Now the symmetry is on, okay. And now the symmetry is in the center. Yeah, you have to play around with it a little bit. I think it's also possible to move the pivot a little bit and test it with this, or you can move the symmetry axis, I think. Gizmo edit. It's a Gizmo edit. Symmetry didn't. You can freely set the symmetry plane. This feature is experimental. I don't know how this works. Of course, we have to test it. Okay, but that's a way to do such things. Okay, have fun with sculpting.